if you make use of Microsoft Edge as your Internet Explorer, you're going to double left click on your Microsoft Edge and you're going to type in www.caddiesoftware.com. It will take you to the home page of the Caddie software, and you'll see there's an option that says Try Now. So you're going to click on Try Now. As you can see, Caddie will give you an explanation how the evaluation version works, as well as what applications is included. So we're just going to hit here on Download. I'm going to click on Download, and you're going to fill in your credentials. So I'm going to make use of mine. So I'll add my first name, Shaw, last name Robinson, your telephone number, and as you can see, you're going to select your country. I'm in South Africa, and I'm going to say continue. Now what you will see is Caddie will ask you, if your download doesn't start automatically, please click here to download. But as you can see on the top right hand side, it gives me a preview, that circle, and it's called downloads, and it gives me my progress of my download. And as you can see, few seconds left, and then we can either run the exe from the location, or we can browse to the download folder. So let's have a look. So if for some reason it's minimized, you can't see it, just left click and it will give you the progress of the download. Now that it's done, you can see you can either open the file from the Explorer, or what we like to do is I just want to browse to the folder so you can see where it's saved under your C drive, under your user, under your normal downloads folder. That's where you will get your exe. So now we just have to run the exe from this location.